Not sure I'm ready for this. Hello, you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day today. You know him. You love him. You want to see more of him. I may not want to see more of him after this because the lion is here to share with you and with me his top 5, bottom 5, favourites, least favourites out of my handbag collection. We haven't done this since May 2021, so a lot has changed. May 2021, eh? It's 2.5 years.
I know.
It's a long time. Bought a lot of bags since then. You've bought me some bags since then. We're going to do this. There's 5 least favourite, 5 most favourite.
Yep.
How are we going to play it? Do you want to do one from each, building up to the least and most, or?
No, I won't be able to remember if we flick between them. So what we'll do is my least favourite bags, going from the ones that I can live with to ones I absolutely cannot live with.
That's a bit strong.
Yeah, I'm afraid it's going to be a slightly... I mean, last time I said, I don't want to say like hate and everything, but there might be a bag or two in here that I actually...
Actively...
hate.
Ooh. Hit subscribe and give it a thumbs up before it all kicks off. Right, yeah. Okay then, so we're starting off with your 5 least favourite.
Yes.
And of those 5 least favourite, the first one at number 5 is going to be your most favourite out of the 5 least favourite. That's not confusing at all, is it?
Is everyone keeping up?
Okay, right.
There will be a quiz at the end.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah, grab the first one. Okay, coming in at number 5 on the least favourite, top 5, bottom 5. You're going to have to tell me when to look. Are you not telling me when to look? Because I've got to edit this.
You can look.
We can't be doing that every time. Okay. Wow. Okay. Well, I mean, there's consistency
here. Right?
Yeah.
I mean, I still don't like it, but I don't.
You don't hate it.
I don't actively hate it. I mean, it's got a history for us.
It does. Yeah. I think this was the first luxury bag you really enabled me to buy. This is the Mulberry Mitzi East West Hobo in this gorgeous grape leopard. It is a fab bag. I mean,
doing the Autumn Beckman twist.
Spin, Autumn Beckman spin, baby. Yeah.
Oh, it's the twist when she dances, isn't it?
Yes, that's the one. I am a little surprised that it is your most favourite of your least favourites, if that makes sense. I thought it would be further down the dislike scale. She's of a time. She's not the kind of thing that I'd carry now. I don't feel I can get rid of her because, like you said, lots of happy memories tied up with this bag.
Indeed. Ooh, before I forget, hi Danny.
Hi Danny. Your 5 least favourite. Okay, this is number 4.
It's going to be a surprise, this one.
It is not a surprise at all. This featured in your least favourites before.
It's not had a haircut. It's still in there. And I even resisted the urge to cut the tassels off in the house move. So that could have been an unfortunate incident with the moving van. So I would maybe have moved this bag out of the bottom 5.
Because you like the stitching.
Oh, I like the bag.
I
mean, there's lots of things about the bag that I really like. It's very nice. It's great colour. It's a good bag. It's a great bag. It might have even featured in the man bag if I have to. Short. But the tassels. It's the tassels.
I mean, it does come with a crossbody strap, and I think you look great.
It's quite rock and roll. I mean, I said that to you before. It's like compared.
Silver hardware.
I can't handle the. Take it away.
I must admit the.
Take it away.
I don't use this bag very much anymore. It's Alexander McQueen box 6.
Because of the tassels.
Box 16, and yes, it is because of the tassels.
Yeah.
It's a bit dark.
I'll fix it for you. Let me just say the word. I'll fix it.
I am not that girl.
I am that boy.
Okay, coming in at number 3.
I feel really bad about this one, but
no.
I'm really sorry.
No.
Listen, I just don't.
No.
don't get it. I mean, I just don't get it. I don't get it. It looks like our niece, nephew, some small child has scribbled on it. I just don't. I'm Philistine, right? I mean, that's the problem here. It's not the bag. It's me.
It is. Yeah. It's.
I'm the problem, right?
All right, Taylor.
But I don't like it.
It is kind of divisive with the illustrations. This is the Coach Basquiat collaboration. This is the B18. It's got a crossbody strap and a chain strap and a top handle, and I love it because
she really loves it.
Of this illustration. I absolutely love this, and I would love to have more of the Basquiat collection.
Yeah, you did say in your unusual bags it's your favourite unusual bag, isn't it? I feel immensely guilty, and this is the first time that she's hearing that I don't like it. So, yeah, I wasn't brave enough to do it like off camera, if I'm completely honest, because who knows what would have happened to me. Now there's video evidence if something happens.
This is our youngest's favourite bag out of all my bags. He loves it. Least favourite bag coming in at number 2 in the bottom 5.
This one.
I wear this a lot.
You do.
And it's quite new.
The thing is, I can tell you why, but I need you to hold this for a second, because I'm going to go and get my least favourite bag, right? And then I can talk about them both together, right? Because it is a similar thing. And
should I be closing my eyes again?
Yeah. I'm really sorry. You can open your eyes now. It's this one, and it's for the same reason.
You don't like. What have you got against the tiny toes?
Oh, the bunny's cute on it, but other than that, the reason I don't like these bags, and I mean don't like them. I said hate earlier. I don't want to hate anything, but I do not like these bags. It's cause they fall over all of the time. This doesn't fulfill its base needs as a bag.
I mean, it doesn't carry stuff.
Yes, and then it spills it everywhere the second you do anything.
This doesn't have a very stable base.
It's got nothing going for it at all. It's a nightmare. When you come downstairs with this, inside I go, oh, I'm going to be picking stuff up off the floor because of that stupid bag. And
look, it's standing up on the floor.
I
think it's because you kick them over.
It's the same. It's the same. It's exactly the same. Look, no stability. I just can't. I can't. It's a beautiful colour. It's a nice bag. I don't dislike any of that.
It's got orange inside.
But it doesn't do its job. And if it can't do its job, it's dead to me.
Hold them up. Marc Jacobs micro tote, pink, bubblegum pink leather. Bally, Year of the Bunny, limited edition, tiny tote, northwest, north-northwest, north-south. This one I agree with is very unstable. This one I use all the time, and it's not. I'm going to have a sulk now.
Good news is we're moving on.
Time for the top 5, and coming in at number 5, so not the top 1, but in the top 5 is...
My love for knitting is still strong.
Consistency again with all of the movement. I like it.
Yeah, but it's a beautiful bag, isn't it? You know, and it's got that bamboo leather, which I really love. And it's just a beautiful bag. I mean, look at the colour. Can you see the colour? That is, it's just a beautiful bag. It's a really beautiful bag. You don't use it enough. It's a striking piece.
It's not a colour that I can really get away with my skin tone and stuff. But I know I'm not wearing it, but it gets dictated by the other stuff I'm wearing. And if I'm wearing pink, I can't.
Well, maybe you should sell it then. I mean,
nope. It's never leaving the family.
Let her know in the comments below if you would be interested in. Okay, don't.
Come back when I have a vlog sale.
Don't. Don't do that.
This is the Louis Vuitton vintage sac tricot in the colour tassel yellow.
Easy for you to say.
Not always. This I bought from my stepmum. She had it from new from the 90s, and as soon as the first time I laid eyes on this bag, I loved it. I borrowed it a couple of times, and a few years ago I persuaded her to part company with it permanent so it could come home with us. And it's such a showstopper bag, and every time we've been to a Louis Vuitton boutique with this bag, they've been on us, haven't they?
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah, it's a beautiful bag. It's really, really beautiful.
Great choice.
Okay, thanks.
Coming in at number 4 in the top 5 is... Oh! Yes, you didn't know, well, we didn't have it. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit speechless here. Because you have called this bag ridiculous.
It's also very cool. I mean, you said I think this was also in your unusual videos.
It is unusual bag.
That you, when you showed me it, I was kind of gobsmacked. My mouth fell open, and it really, really did, because I mean, it's such a interesting bag.
You're not a fan of the weave.
I'm not a fan of the weave, right? But I think it works. I think I really like this because it's like a fish. It's like a big mouth bass kind of. You see what I mean? And
I do, yeah.
And so but it's just a cool bag. It's functional. It functions really well. In fact, it carries loads of stuff, right?
It carries way more than you would expect, yeah.
And then you can really get in there and everything. Then when you do it up, it's easy to carry. It's not heavy. I've carried it around for you.
It's the leather's lovely, isn't it?
The leather's lovely. Lovely.
Lovery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had a discussion about the colour. And I still think this is the right colour, because I think if it was black, you wouldn't see the detail that you can see with it.
And it would probably look like a little bin bag. These come in non-woven. This is the Bottega Veneta. This is either called the twist, or
where the hell did we go woven?
They come in the Intrecciato woven leather, which is what this one is, and they come in smooth leather as well. And I don't like the smooth leather ones quite as much as the Intrecciato, because I think it just gives it an extra dimension, and it does stop it looking like a little sort of, you just tied a knot in a little bin bag or something. Top 5, coming in at number 3.
Don't open your eyes yet. This one is a little bit of a cheat.
Hmm?
Well, it's not one bag, but yeah, you can open your eyes now.
Okay, you told me not to. Ooh.
Yeah, they've grown on me.
Ooh.
They've grown on me.
Oh, I'm happy to see this.
I think they're quite useful when we've been shopping. At the wedding, you popped one on in the evening, you were bopping around, you had it around yourself. You had your lippy, you had money in there. You never spend any money, so and then,
which is it? I spend too much, I don't spend enough.
Never spend any money when I'm around. And I've picked the two I really like and not the one I actually bought you.
That's true, actually. I thought that was just because you had 2 hands, so you didn't bring the Fandabbydozy one down.
Not so keen on that one.
Really?
I like the colours on these.
Yeah, the colours are nice and bright.
They both remind me of ice cream.
They do.
You can see that one.
So these are the Fendi Nano Baguettes.
Easy, right? I'm not a professional at doing this. Do I need to cover my face?
Fendi Nano Baguette, you guys know I'm obsessed with these.
They're very lovely, and I do like them, and they have completely won me over. I thought they were a little bit of a joke, but they're great. Oh. But you don't need any more than 3.
Oh. No. I got all excited then because I thought, yay! I can get some more.
No.
Yeah. That's really tickled me. I am utterly delighted. Top 5 favourite bags. Coming in at number 2 we have...
this one. It couldn't be anything else really, could it?
Well, I have questions. Not because she's in the top 5, but why she's not number 1.
Oh. Well, you'll just have to wait. That's coming up.
Intrigued? I am.
This was birthday?
It was Christmas.
Was it Christmas?
It was Christmas.
You weren't even that good last year. It's utterly fabulous. I mean, it really is immensely usable. It's not like you pay all the money and then it just kind of sits on a shelf. You have been a little bit scared of using it. Yes,
smooth leather. Didn't want any colour transfer or anything like that. But I got over myself.
Yeah.
I've worn a crossbody with jeans.
It's got the lovely twilly.
That's Hermes, but I'm glad you're learning that.
That's Fendi.
This is a wrappy. Fendi call them wrappies, Hermes call them twillies.
Well, you don't need to learn what Hermes call them.
I think I do.
No, you don't.
The instant I picked this bag up, you were like, she's the one.
Yeah.
I remember that very,
Such a
very
good
clearly.
colour. Such a great colour.
I was like, oh, is it right? You know, and you were like, no, she is the one. This is the Fendi Mini Peekaboo from the 25-year anniversary collection of the baguettes, and it is a beautiful bag. So the mini Peekaboo doesn't usually come with a pocket on the front. That's what makes it special. And again, this was tied in my favourite unusual bags, with the Basquiat Coach. Fabulous bag, utterly fabulous bag. Delighted that she's in the top 5, but why isn't she number 1?
Well, tune in next week. I'm only joking. It's coming up right now.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
Okay, coming in at number 1, the top spot, your favourite bag out of my entire handbag collection, not collection, is, drumroll please,
You know that I love a bit of denim.
what? Ooh, talk to me. This is a surprise.
I really hate denim bags.
Really
I think
does.
they're a rip-off, right? You look at them and I just feel like they're a bit of a rip-off. But from the moment that we saw this bag, I thought, that's a cool bag. That is a really cool bag. Every time I walk into your room and I sit up on the shelf, I'm just struck by how good looking this bag is, right?
It is a good looking bag. It is a good looking bag. Marc Jacobs era Louis Vuitton denim. This is the baggy and the PM size. And it was an absolute steal. We spotted it at Phoenix in the Handbag Clinic concession. So it's pre-loved. I haven't had this for more than 6 months. A bit longer than that, maybe 8 months.
Yep.
I am shocked, surprised, delighted, and you are clearly on trend, as I am on trend, for owning this bag that we spotted together, because Louis Vuitton is bringing a new denim collection out next year, which is effectively this Marc Jacobs one recycled.
I think this is the first time I've held it for any kind of length of time. It actually really feels nice. I mean, I'm losing feeling in my arm because like I've held a lot of bags up for a long.
You suffer for my art, don't you? And I'm also surprised because I know how much you dislike denim bags, because my Marc Jacobs small tote, you wanted to throw that out the window the moment it came through the door.
It just feels like it's a rip-off, but this doesn't feel like a rip-off. This feels like it's a quality piece.
Yeah, it really is.
I think it's probably all of the stitching that's in there and all that kind
like
of
the
stuff,
embroidery
you know?
and stuff. This is all embroidered on, stitched on. It's beautiful. It's great. I'm surprised. Really surprised. More denim bags, please.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really nice.
He said yes.
No, I know.
He said yes. I've got it on film. What a way to finish.
You putting it back?
Yeah, I'll put it back. I'm going to hold on to it for a moment because it's
So me
cute.
crossing in front of you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining us and for sharing your thoughts on my handbag collection, not collection.
It's a pleasure. I'll see you in 2 years.
There will be plenty more changes before then as well, I should imagine.
Yeah, they're all gone.
Let us know what you think of the Lion's choices. Bottom 5, boo. Top 5, yay.
Yay.
I guess that's it. Until we see you, or I see you, yes you, boop. For the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye.
Bye.
I thought you were going to join in.
I can't.
You did it
It's
last
too
time.
high for me.
I can help you with that.
I'm all right, thank you.